Hi and welcome to my first video on my channel Cattail Market. Today I'm going to share with you how I made these super cute little shim trees. All you need to get is some cedar shims from the hardware store. I got a pack of 16 for $4.95. Then I need some hot glue and E6000. I just find that combo is the best for a longer lasting hold. So first I just did halfway down the shim. I added the E6000, and then in the blank spaces where there was no E6000, I added the hot glue. I just find this makes it quick, stick, and then the E6000 gives it a more long-lasting bond. So I put them halfway. I did, I think, 5 sticks on this one, on each side, depending on how tall you want your trees. So then I just took 2 more shims, and because they're angled on each end, what I did was I glued with the same method to make like a rectangle. Then I made another whole side. So you're going to want 2 sides of the same height and your base. Then you're going to do the same method with the hot glue, and you're going to end the E6000 and glue each corner. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe and follow. Thanks. Have a great day.